What's going on, everybody? My name is Danny Segrinal. If you're looking to travel for free, never having to pay for a hotel again, or never having to pay for a flight again. See this shirt here? I'm a walking billboard. I get paid to wear a t-shirt like this, attract people, attract customers. I will show you how you can make money, and you'll receive a card like this where you get paid in US funds. So we're gonna go to the bank account real quick. I made several videos showing people how to make some money. So I just want to show you that the company actually pays you. All right, we're gonna enter my information right here. Anywhere in the world where there's an ATM machine, you could go in there, put my favorite number, which is $600. We're gonna take some money out, $50 bills. We're gonna pay the $3 fees. Okay, then the magic sound will come out with the machine. 1, 2, 3, yes. You hear that? The sound of money. Learn how to travel for free. Okay, get paid for it. Join our team. Be able to go to the ATM machine and take out real money. That's what we do over here, right? So once again, free travel. We even give you 3 nights of hotel for free. So look at my information below this video and get back to me as soon as possible. My name is Danny Segrinal. Let's make some money together.
All right.